Your spine straight. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Oh. 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 ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्ताम् सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवेत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् पंकजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसिनः श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यां तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Gita session. We are on this journey of learning little bit of Sanskrit, learning little bit of Gita, combining that to be able to chant Gita better, to understand its meaning little better, and probably imbibe little into our lives also its teaching. On this journey, last week we had begun by revising the Shabda Rupavali, little words, and the little dhatus, some verbs also. We'll continue that. Only thing, we'll make sure that our chanting is having a good speed. We can't take it forever. So those who can chant with a proper good speed, only volunteer. And others can learn chant with a muted mind so that we respect the class time and not occupy, like 70% of the class time in doing the Satarupavali. But by the time your turn comes to chant, I'll get my book. But we should do it exactly in this format. Akaranta Pullinga Deva Shabdaha. Okay. देवः देवौ देवाः प्रथमा देवं देवौ देवान् द्वितीया देवेन देवाभ्यां देवैः तृतीया देवाय देवाभ्यां देवेभ्यः चतुर्थी देवात् देवाभ्यां देवेभ्यः पञ्चमी देवस्य देवयोः देवानां षष्ठी देवे देवयोः देवेषु सप्तमी हे देव हे देव हे देवौ हे देवाः संबोधन. It should go this plain, it should go in this speed so that we can quickly finish this in first 10-15 minutes itself. Okay. So Akaranta Pulling is over. Now Akaranta Napunsakalinga. Let's do Vana Shabda. Who's going to do?
I can do.
Okay. Yes, raise hands those who want to volunteer. So we can. Yes, over to you, Sridevi ji. Vana Shabda.
Vanah, vano, sorry. Vanam, vane, vanani. Vanam, vane, vanani. Prathama.
Prathama, Dvitiya.
Prathama. Yeah.
No, there is no
Vanam.
Visarga. Prathama. Dvitiya, no Visarga.
Yeah. Okay. Vanam, vane, vanani. Prathama. Vanam, vane, vanani. Dvitiya. Vanen, vanabhyam, vanaihi. Tritiya. Vanaya, vanabhyam, vanebhya. Chaturthi. वनात् वनाभ्यां वनेभ्यः पंचमी वनस्य वनयो वनानां षष्ठी वने वनयो वनेषु सप्तमी हे हे वनम हे वने हे वनानि. इज दैट करेक्ट? संबोधन वन हे वनम हे वने हे वनानि
संबोधन. श्री विद्यालक्ष्मी जी माला शब्द.
अकारान्तः स्त्रीलिंग माला शब्दः. माला माले मालाः प्रथमा मालां माले मालाः द्वितीया मालया मालाभ्यां मालाभिः तृतीया मालायै मालाभ्यां मालाभ्यः चतुर्थी मालायाः मालाभ्यां मालाभ्यः पंचमी मालायाः मालयोः मालानां षष्ठी मालायां मालयोः मालासु सप्तमी हेमाले हेमाले हेमालाः. संबोधन.
ईकारांत पुल्लिंग शब्द हरि. राधा कृष्णन जी. You can unmute Radha Krishnan ji.
हरि हरि हरयः प्रथमा हरिं हरि हरि द्वितीया हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः तृतीया हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः चतुर्थी हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः पञ्चमी हरेः हर्योः हरीणां षष्ठी हरौ हर्योः हरिषु सप्तमी हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
संबोधन वेरी गुड इकारांत स्त्रीलिंग मति शब्द गायत्री जी
मतिः मति मतयः प्रथमा मति मति मत्यः द्वितीया
मतीयः न मतीः
ओ सॉरी मतिः द्वितीया मध्या मतिभ्यां मतिभिः तृतीया मध्यै मथये मतिभ्यां
मध्यै the sound should come madhyai cannot say madhyai the should come nicely
मध्ये मध्यै मथये मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः चतुर्थी मध्याः मतेः मतिभ्यां मतिभ्यः पञ्चमी मध्याः मतेः मध्योः मतीनां षष्ठी मध्यां मथौ मध्योः मतीषु सप्तमी हे मते हे मति हे मतयः संबोधन
very good इकारांत नपुंसक शब्द दधि शब्दः you will do शोभा जी
Did you say Nadi?
दधि दधि नपुंसक दधि we are doing all ह्रस्व इकार so pullinga hari over strilinga mati over napunsaka dadi ह्रस्व e will finish then only dirgha e will come
Dadhi, Dadhini, Dadhini, Prathama. Dadhi, Dadhini, Dadhini, Dvitiya. Dadhna, Dadhipyam, Dadhibhi, Tritiya. Dadhne, Dadhipyam, Dadhibhyah, Chaturthi. Dadhnaha, Dadhipyam, Dadhibhyah, Panchami. Dadhnaha, Dadhnoho, Dadhinam, Shashti.
dadhnam
Dadhni,
dadhinam no dadhnam
oh, sorry. I've written it as Dadhinam. Sorry, I'll change it. Dadhnam Shashti. Dadhni Dadhni. Dadhnoho Dadhishu Saptami. He Dadhe. He Dadhini. He Dadhini. Sambodhan.
very good Shri Devi Bodha ji ईकारांत स्त्रीलिंग नदी शब्दः
नदी नद्यौ नद्यः प्रथमा नदीं नद्यौ नदीः द्वितीया नद्या नदीभ्यां नदीभिः तृतीया नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः चतुर्थी नद्याः नद्योः नदीनां पञ्चमी नद्यां
नद्यः नदीभ्यां did you say नद्योः द्विवचन
yeah so that is नद्याः नद्योः
no panchami is nadibhyam
1 2 3 4 नद्याः नद्योः
no nadibhyam nadyoh is not there nadibhyam panchami
okay नद्यै नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः is that correct
that is chaturthi
पंचमी is नद्यौ
नद्याः
नद्याः नद्योः
नदीभ्यां
okay
नदीभ्यः पंचमी
नदीभ्यः okay I think I've written it wrong नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु
no now come for shashti you have not said नद्याः नदीभ्यां नदीभ्यः पंचमी then shashti नद्याः नद्योः
नदीनां
षष्ठी
नद्यां नद्योः नदीषु सप्तमी हे नदी हे नद्यौ हे नद्यः संबोधन
Sambodhan. There is no visarga. Okay.
Sambodhan.
Okay. Sri Vidya Lakshmi ji. Ukaranta now, huh? Ukaranta, Rasva Ukaranta, Guru Shabda. Pullinga.
Guru, yeah. Guruhu, Guru, Guravah, Prathama, Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Dvitiya, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubhihi, Tritiya, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Chaturthi, Guro, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Panchami, Guroho, Guravaihi, Gurunam, Shashti, Gurav,
What did
Guravai,
you say? Sorry. Dvivachan. Dvivachan what?
Guravaihi.
Gurvoho.
अच्छा.
Guroho, Gurvoho, Gurunam Shashti.
ओके. गुरोः गुर्वोः गुरूणां षष्टि, गुरौ गुरवैः गुरुषु सप्तमी.
Not Guravaihi. Gurvoho.
Again गुर्वोः here also. Okay. Sorry. गुरौ गुर्वोः गुरुषु सप्तमी, हे गुरो हे गुरु हे गुरवः संबोधन.
Very good. Radha Krishnan ji. Ukaranta Strilinga Dhenu Shabdaha. You can unmute yourself.
Sorry. Denva, Denubhyam, Denubihi, Tritiya. Denvai, Denave, Denubhyam, Denubhyaha. That's Chaturthi. Denvaha, Denoho, Denubhyam, Denubhyaha. Panchami. Denvaha, Denoho, Denvoho, Denunam. Shashti. Denvam, Denau, Denvoho, Denushu. Saptami. Edeno, Denu, Denavaha. Sambodha.
Very good. Very nicely done. Shobha ji. Ukaranta Napunsakalinga Madhu Shabdaha.
Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Prathama, Madhu, Madhuni, Madhuni, Dvitiya, Madhuna, Madhubhyam, Madhubhihi, Tritiya, Madhune, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyah, Chaturthi, Madhunaha, Madhubhyam, Madhubhyah, Panchami, Madhunaha, Madhunoho, Madhunam, Shashti, Madhuni, Madhunoho, Madhushu, Saptami, हे मधो हे मधुनी हे मधुनी संबोधन.
Excellent. Perfect. Gayatri ji. Sarvanam Shabdaha. Dakaranta Pullinga Tad Shabdaha. Sahataute. That one. You can unmute yourself.
Tatte tani.
Sahataute Prathama.
Sahataute Prathama. Tam tau tan Dvidiya. Tena tabhyam taihi Tritiya. Tasmai tabhyam tebhyah Chaduthi.
Correct.
Tasmat tabhyam tebhyah Panchami. Tasya tayoho tesham Sashti. Tasmin tayoho teshu Saptami.
Very good. Very good. Shri Devi ji again. Dakaranta Strilinga Tad Shabdaha. You can unmute yourself.
Tatte tani prathama.
Strilinga. Not Napunsaka. Strilinga.
Satetaha. Satetaha prathama.
Tamte.
Tam te tan dvitiya.
Tamte taha.
Tam te taha dvitiya. Taya tebhyam tabhi. Tabhyam tabhihi tritiya. I think I couldn't get that page yet.
Okay,
Just
doesn't matter. You can figure out the Napunsaka page and come. I'll come back to you. Shri Vidya
yes.
Lakshmi ji.
Yeah. Thank you.
Strilinga Shabda Tad Dakaranta Tad Strilinga.
सा ते
Shall I do
ताः
that? You can raise your hands then. I'm asking only those who have raised hands. So you can raise your hand, those who want to chant. Yes, go ahead.
सा ते ताः प्रथमा तां ते ताः द्वितीया तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तृतीया तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी.
Very good. Sri Devi ji, you got your Napunsakalinga that Tattetani? Not yet.
No, not yet. Yeah.
Sumita ji, you can raise your hand. Then go ahead with the Napunsakalinga Tad Dakaranta. Tattetani.
तत्तेतानि द्वितीय सॉरी
तत्तेतानि प्रथमा तत्तेतानि द्वितीया
तत्तेतानि प्रथमा तत्तेतानि द्वितीया
तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया. What happened? You have it in front of you or you don't have it in front of you?
No, only till Dvitiya only I have written. I don't know why. Incomplete.
Incomplete
I
because
can
so
do
much
eight.
No, hold on. Shobhaji, please continue.
I have with me.
Yeah, I'll ask you the next one. You be prepared. Shobhaji, continue.
तत्तेतानि प्रथमा तत्तेतानि द्वितीया तेन ताभ्यां तैः तृतीया तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः पञ्चमी तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी.
Very good. Okay. Now, Dakaranta Pullingah Etad Shabdah. Gayatri ji.
एषः एषौ एते प्रथमा
एषः एतौ.
एषः एतौ एते प्रथमा एतं एतौ एतान् द्वितीया येनेन येनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः येनयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः येनयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
Very good. Sridevi ji, did you get Strilingi Etat Shabda? Esha Ete
Yes.
Etaha? Okay.
Yes, I. So, Esha ete etaha. Correct only, no? Etam. Esha ete etaha prathama. Etam ete etaha. Enam ene enaha dvitiya. Etaya etabhyam.
Read it together, not separately.
Okay.
Etam enam, ete ene, etaha enaha dvitiya. It will go together.
एताम एनाम एते एने एताः एनाः द्वितीया एतया एनया एताभ्याम् एताभिः तृतीया एतस्यै एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्याः एताभ्याम् एताभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्याः एतयोः एनयोः एतासाम् एनयोः
Not
एनयोः एतासां सप्तमी एतस्याम् एतयोः
not saptami.
एतस्याः एतयोः एनयोः एतासां षष्ठी एतस्याम् एतयोः एनयोः एतासु सप्तमी.
Okay. Sumita ji, have you got Napunsaka Linga etat shabda? You've not written?
No, I have written Yad Pulling and Striling.
No. You have to complete the book. In the same order, the book should be complete. Shri Devi ji, Shri Vidya ji, please continue. Napunsaka etat shabda.
एतद् एते एतानि प्रथमा एतद् एनत् एते एने एतानि एनानि द्वितीया एतेन एनेन एताभ्याम् एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः पञ्चमी एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी.
मकारंत पुल्लिंग किम शब्दः? राधाकृष्णन जी.
कः कौ के प्रथमा कं कौ कान् द्वितीया केन काभ्यां कैः तृतीया कस्मै काभ्यां केभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्मात् काभ्यां केभ्यः पञ्चमी कस्य कयोः केषां षष्ठी कस्मिन् कयोः केषु सप्तमी.
Very good. Arun ji. स्त्रीलिंग. मकारांत स्त्रीलिंग किम शब्दः?
Napunsik or Striling, you said?
स्त्रीलिंग.
I'm not sure I have Striling also.
का के काहा.
Sorry, ma'am, I don't have, I think, Kim Striling. I have Napunsik.
Okay.
And
Okay, go
so-
ahead with Napunsaka. We'll take स्त्रीलिंग. मकारंत नपुंसक लिंगः किम शब्दः?
thank you, ma'am. Kim ke kani prathama, kim ke kani dvitiya, kev kabhyam kehi tritiya, kasmai kabhyam ke bhyeh chaturthi, kasmat kabhyam ke bhyeh panchami, kasye kayoh kesham shashti, kasmin kayoh keshu saptami.
Very good. Who has kim shabda स्त्रीलिंग?
I have.
I can do.
I have it.
Okay, we'll give Sumita ji the chance. Okay, here it is.
का के काहा प्रथमा काम के काहा द्वितीया कया काभ्याम काभिः तृतीया कस्यै काभ्याम काभ्यः चतुर्थी कस्याः काभ्याम काभ्यः पंचमी कस्याः कयोः कासां षष्ठी कस्यां कयोः कासु सप्तमी.
It's half an hour over. I'll just quickly complete it. So what I found out, your notebook set itself not complete. Leave aside memorizing. Then to even chant it, it is becoming difficult. To read it, it is becoming difficult. That means for past 3-4 months, books have not been opened. So I want everybody to open their books from tomorrow onwards as your daily prayer and glance. If you don't have the time for doing all of it, then do at least half portion in the morning and half in the evening. Shabdas in the morning, sarvanams in the evening, bedtime dhatus. Something like that, divide, but it has to be chanted every day. Otherwise, books not complete, reading not known, then how the knowledge will come? So this is like a stark revelation that has happened today. We'll quickly complete and we'll go for the chapter. दकारांत त्रीलिंगकः अस्मत् शब्दः. अहम आवां वयं प्रथमा माम्मा आवाम्नौ अस्मान्नः द्वितीया मया आवाभ्याम् अस्माभिः तृतीया मह्यं मे आवाभ्यां नौ अस्मभ्यन्नः तृतीया चतुर्थी मत् आवाभ्याम् अस्मत् पञ्चमी मम मे आवयोः नौ अस्माकं नः षष्ठी मयि आवयोः अस्मासु सप्तमी दकारान्त त्रिलिङ्गकः युष्मत् शब्दः त्वं युवां यूयं प्रथमा त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मन् वः द्वितीया त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः तृतीया तुभ्यन्ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः चतुर्थी त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत् पञ्चमी तव ते युवयोः वां युष्माकं वः षष्ठी त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु सप्तमी. Yet Shabda we will give us skip, go directly for dhatu. Parasmaipadi patha dhatu vartaman kalah pathati pathatah pathanti pathasi pathatah pathatha pathami pathavah pathamah. Bhutkal apathat apatata apathan apathaha apathatam apathatta apatham apathava apathama. प्रेरणा पठतु पठतां पठन्तु पठ पठतं पठत पठानि पठाव पठाम. भविष्यत्काल पठिष्यति पठिष्यतः पठिष्यन्ति पठिष्यसि पठिष्यथः पठिष्यथ पठिष्यामि पठिष्यावः पठिष्यामः. आत्मनेपदी वन्द धातु वन्दते वन्देते वन्दन्ते वन्दसे वन्देते वन्दध्वे वन्दे वन्दावहे वन्दामहे. भूतकाल अवन्दत अवन्देताम् अवन्दन्त अवन्दथाः अवन्देथाम् अवन्दध्वम् अवन्दे अवन्दावहि अवन्दामहे. प्रेरणा वन्दतां वन्देतां वन्दन्तां वन्दस्व वन्देथां वन्दध्वं वन्दै वन्दावहै वन्दामहै. भविष्यत्काल वन्दिष्यते वन्दिष्येते वन्दिष्यन्ते वन्दिष्यसे वन्दिष्येथे वन्दिष्यध्वे वन्दिष्ये वन्दिष्यावहे वन्दिष्यामहे. Okay. So now next week homework, let the dhatu, parasmaipad dhatu be very thorough and come. Vartaman kal, bhutkal, bhavishyat kal and prerna. So please memorize this for patha dhatu and come. Otherwise, if we will not keep small targets, we will not be able to achieve. We need to know this very thoroughly. Okay, so having said this, let us dive into our Gita session with whatever time we have. Then next week onwards, we'll just target those 10-15 verses. Probably I'll put a audio for all the Shabda Rupavali, Dhatu Rupavali, so that even if you don't know the correct pronunciation, how to chant or what to speak, my audio will play around at your background when you are practicing, then it would be easier, I feel. So probably I should just put one audio for all of them. Okay, so now let's get in. We have done till 11th verse. No, 10th verse. We have to do the 11th verse today. Shri Vidyaji, come to repeat. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते
तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम्
तां तथैव भजाम्यहम्
मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते
मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते
मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः
मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः Shall I do?
Yes.
ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तां तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः.
Good. ये यथा मां प्रपद्यन्ते तांस्तथैव भजाम्यहम् मम वर्त्मानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. So first thing first, let us break all the words. Ye remains ye, yatha remains yatha only, mam, prapadyante, Now see that word. Tans tathaiva we have seen, right? So in that tans tathaiva, that is tan, tatha, eva. Okay. Bhajamyaham in that. Bhajami
भजामि अहम्
aham. Correct. Mama, varthma, anuvartante, then all that is all same. So now can anybody tell what is the sandhi between tatha and eva? It has become tathai, right? A and A is becoming ai. What has happened?
Vriddhi Sandhi.
Saptapam.
Excellent. Vriddhi sandhi has happened. Then bhajami and aham. Me, E and O has become bhajamya. Ya has come. What sandhi is over there?
Yan Santi.
Yan Sandhi.
Correct. Yan sandhi. Correct. And this anuswara becoming sakara tams tathaiva. That anuswara sa and it's actually na anuswara sandhi we have seen. Right? So this is all with the sandhis over here. Now, how to put the anvaya? Ye yatha mam prapadyante tan tatha eva aham bhajami. He partha, manushyaha sarvashaha mama vartma anuvartante. So by putting this in a straight line, now we have got the meaning. Ye, whoever, yatha, in whichever manner, mam, mama, avam, no. Which vibhakti? Just now we read?
Yeah.
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya.
So to me. So whoever comes to me, prapadyante, to me, means approaches me, comes to me, tan. So tan is which vibhakti and which shabda is over there?
Dvitiya Bahuvachan.
Of no, ekvachan. Of which?
तत्
Of
तत्
Sarvanama Shabda. Sarvanama Shabda.
Sarvanam, tad shabda, dakaranta
Tad
tad shabda. Yes, it is a bahuvachan only. Sorry, Sri Deviji, you are right. It's a bahuvachan. So whoever, so many people, no? So many. So bahuvachan dvitiya of tad pullinga. Sahatau te prathama, tam is singular. Tam tau, tan dvitiya. So from there this tan has come. So those all, to them, tatha eva, in that manner, eva is that only. When he say, na, bhajami aham means, bhajami is like, I acknowledge them or I appreciate them. Mama, mama me, which is that vibhakti? Mama. Which shabdas, which vibhakti? Yes.
Shashti.
Shashti of which shabda?
Aham. Asmat.
Asmat shabda. Aham is prathama ekvachan. Mama is shashti ekvachan of asmat shabda. Very good. Very good. So, mama vartma anuvartante. My path only they will follow in all ways. So, how do we say? In whatever ways people approach me, I reward them in whichever way they approach me. And those people would tread on my path. Like that, O Partha, Krishna says, Ye yatha mam prapadyante tanstathaiv bhajamyaham mama vartmanuvartante manushyaः partha sarvashaha. Okay, Shri Deviji, 12th verse. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim.
Kankshantah karmanam siddhim.
Makara karmanam siddhim. Yajanta iha devataha. Okay, you corrected that. I'll wait. No problem.
Kankshantah karmanam siddhim. Yajanta iha devataha.
Kshipram himanushe loke.
Kshipram himanushe loke.
Siddhirbhavati karmaja.
Siddhirbhavati karmaja. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim.
Kahana. Kankshantah.
काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा.
Kshiprau he manu pre. Sha is a मूर्धन्य shakaram. Kangshan. Okay, say.
क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके
No she.
मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा.
काङ्क्षन्तः कर्मणां सिद्धिं यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. Where is the sandhi over here? On how many sandhis are there? Either.
Siddhir bhavati.
Yes, correct. Which is? Could
Siddhi
you
plus
name?
bhavati.
Correct.
Visarga.
Visarga sandhi. Any other sandhi is there? There is one sandhi in the first line. Can anybody identify it?
Kankshada, is it? Oh,
No.
would it be Kankshantah?
No.
Siddhim yajanta.
Can anybody?
यजन्त
No. Yajanta. Yes. Yajanta. What is the sandhi over there?
यच्. I think two sandhis are coming together.
Sorry. Which one? Yajanta, what is the sandhi?
Is it yat plus?
Is it Visargalopaha?
No, not visargas. Yajante iha. So that a ki matra has gone because of that swara has come. Okay, good. So good attempt. We'll just be more alert. I'll just go back to that presentation. Oh, did the presentation miss somewhere? Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, we can see the presentation.
Okay, then why it's not visible from. Okay, it has come. Okay, so now let us see the. Oops. See, yajante iha. There is that sandhi. Anybody is knowing the name of this sandhi? Why that A is lopa happened?
Oh, is it Gunasan?
No, it's not guna. Yajanta has become. A only has gone because of the E over there. Presence of E has made this A ki matra disappear. Okay, so now two homework. Patadhatu memorization. Finding the rule of this particular sandhi where this is lopa happening. This A is going, how come? Okay, so yajante iha is there. We have got when we chant Gita, in our daily Gita, towards the later chapters, we get this sandhi so many times. And why it is happening, we'll have to know. If I'll tell the answer, it is gone. You all are going to forget. So now there are two homeworks for the next week. Okay. And those who have not completed the book, for them the third homework is this. Okay. So Kangshantaha, Karmanam, Siddhim all same. Yajanta iha devata has become Yajante iha devataha. Then Kshipram hi manushe loke all same. Siddhir bhavati is Siddhihi and bhavati. Okay. Rest everything same. So Karmanam Siddhim Kangshantaha. Manusha means whoever are wishing that their actions should be fruitful. Iha devataha yajante. They pray, they do the rituals over here. Iha means over here on this planet Earth. Manushe lokehi karmajaha siddhihi kshipram bhavati. By doing that, you get success very easily. Kshipram, faster. Let's see. Kangshantaha, the one who are wanting what? Karmanam of the actions. Siddhi, success. Yajante, they do the yajnas in this world, on this planet Earth. Devataha, the gods. Kshipram, quickly. Because Manushe, in the human, this Siddhi is attained born from the actions. So, how do we put it all together? They who long for success from the actions in the world, they make yajnas to the god because that is quickly obtained from the actions of the worldly objects. In this, so whatever actions we are doing, means different yajnas have been told to us. By doing that, we are fulfilling our desires. Like when we give ahuti to in Agni, when we give ahuti in the Agni, to whichever god we are doing that homa for, our ahuti reaches those gods. So Agni is the medium for our ahutis to reach those gods. And people do yajnas to fulfill the desires. Are we devoid of desires? No, we have. We have so many desires. So when we are desireless means we become mukta or sannyasis. Then we are not bound to the regular code of conduct written by Vedas. So, okay, light the lamp, get up in the morning early, sleep early, pray, do this here, do that. All this is for those who are still having the desires. Once it's sannyasi, right? They've left the world, they've left the relationships, they've left everything. So this also it doesn't bind them. But over here, on all the human, manushe, in all the human race, so those who offer the yajnas, so that is the action done, the karma. Through the karma only their desires can be fulfilled. Okay. Kankshantah karmanam siddhim यजन्त इह देवताः क्षिप्रं हि मानुषे लोके सिद्धिर्भवति कर्मजा. शोभाजी, चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टम्.
चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टम्
गुणकर्म विभागशः.
गुणकर्म विभागशः
तस्य कर्तारमपि माम्.
तस्य कर्तारमपि माम्
विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्.
विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्. चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टम् गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि माम् विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्.
Good. So what are the sandhis over here? First line, any sandhi? Chaturvarnyam, maya, srishtam.
Chaturvarnyam is the sandhi.
No,
Chaturvarnyam.
there is no sandhi there.
Why chatuhu plus varnyam? Visarg?
No. So that is
Oh.
Chaturvarna. From there the Chaturvarnya has formed. Okay. So
My
that will not
apologies.
count in this. Actually.
कर्तारम् अपि
Yes.
कर्तारम् अपि.
Correct. Kartaram api. So it is not sandhi, only the swaras have been joined. Next, sandhi.
गुणकर्म विभागश.
There is no sandhi in that.
Oh, sorry.
Where is this vidya kartaram avyayam? Is there a sandhi over there? Vidya
There also
kartaram.
विद्धिः
Yes.
कर्तारम् अव्ययम्.
Correct. Vidhi, not kartaram. Akartaram. Vidhi is ikara. Akartara zakara. E and A joining to form ya. Okay. So now, so which sandhi is that? Just now we saw.
Yan?
Yan.
And
Yan sandhi. So, sandhi booklet should be ready in one side, where you have written, okay, swara sandhi, number 1. One example. And in just 2 words, the rule for it. Number 2. So 6 swara sandhi, 6 lines. Within 6 lines, example is over, explanation is over. Go on the next page. Vyanjana sandhi, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Example. And that one tiny rule over there. So You don't have to turn many pages. It's only front page and back page of a full scale. Over. Your whole Sandhi is handy. So this is what I meant that keep the Sandhi book handy. Unless we have prepared ourselves, then when such things come, no, it will not. So our notebooks will have so many examples, so many explanations, what all we must have marked. But when we have taken a note of it, it's only the name of the Sandhi, example, and in short, in that one line, that should fit the explanation for that rule. Okay, if this O is before, Swar is before, Dirgha is before, whatever is that, before, after, whatever, put one small marking. So 1 to 6 on one page, and whatever we have done, 13 or 14. Anybody has a count? How many we did of Vyanjana? It's all gone, na? So okay, add on to the
Six.
homework.
No, I have.
26, isn't it?
6 is Swara Sandhis. Vyanjana, we have done so many.
I'll tell you. 6 plus.
In fact, the other day when I went to the study room, that Sandhi, whenever we did that Shtutva and all, that board, still it is there. I have not cleaned that board. It is still there. Okay, so now let us go to this. So, Maya is which vibhakti of which word? Which shabda?
Asmat Shabd.
Asmat shabda is what?
Tritiya vibhakti.
Sorry, I didn't hear.
Tritiya vibhakti.
Correct. And what vachan?
Ek
Ek vachan. Correct. Are you all seeing in Asmat Shabda? Have you all gone there? Aham avam vayam mamma avam no asmannaha maya avabhyam asmabhihi. Maya. Got it? Maya is Tritiya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti means what? Instrumental case by which action is done. That means over here by or with should come. So Maya means by me. By me what? Chaturvaranyam Srushtam. This division, this fourfold division is being done by me. Okay, how? Guna karma vibhagashaha, as per the qualities and as per the actions. Okay, so tasya kartaram api mam. Even if I am the doer of that, mam, to me, avyayam akartaram vidhi, but you understand me as I am the non-doer. I might be saying that maya srishtam, by me it is been done, but I am non-doer. So we'll see the meaning here. Chaturvaranyam, that fourfold, I wouldn't say as caste, but we should, so we'll talk about this because it's so crucial now. So much in India is happening now. Rest every world, in every corner of the world, whatever the race discrimination, everything is okay. But in India, this is a big scene. If you are saying, oh, Brahmin and this and patriarchal, no. We'll have to know how to answer these people. If any company, so many MNCs are there, any small company is there, any school is there, any hospital is there, don't we have division of work over there? You should know to ask people. Yes? Do we have division of work over there? Do we have? All are not bosses and all are not CEOs. There is, okay, one boss is there or couple of bosses with the different portfolios would be there. They would have under them some senior managers. That senior manager would have some junior manager. That junior manager under him might have some assistant manager. Under that assistant manager, there will be so many other workers. Under those workers, there will be so many other people working who are not having the cabins in the office, but who sit out as a whole bunch. Then there will be somebody to housekeep the place. Okay. There would be some gardener who is not in the office, but part of it. There would be so many things. There is somebody at the reception. There is somebody to take calls. There is somebody who is doing. How this work is divided? If I am asked to sit at the reception, do I know what is the reception job? If I am put as a gardener, do I know how to do that job? If I'm put as a cleaner, do I know how to clean? If I've given some desk or job in an office, let's say offices of a bank, do I know anything of banking? If I've given some maybe IT company's office, do I know anything of that? So I may be a respectable doctor. It is not a qualification enough to fit in the IT company, in the banking, in whatever companies are there. So is it a discrimination against me? So everybody with their quality, guna, and the actions, what karmas they can do, according to that, the job roles are there. Anybody who is maybe a gardener can rise on top to become a CEO if he has got that mental texture, brilliancy. He doesn't have to be over there, but he needs that quality, right, to rise. We are not able to answer people correctly. So when people talk to us, like now in India, there is a big thing. The problem, oh, you have this Brahman thing and you have this Kshatriya thing and you have. No, it is not like that. It is the division of the work according to the mental texture. Janmana jayate Shudra. Everybody is born a Shudra only. And with your quality, I may be born in a Brahmin family, but I may not have my learning capacity, retaining capacity to do, learn the Vedas or Brahmadhyana or Atmadhyana. I might be finding it boring, but I would like to do some police job, some military job. I would like to fight. I'm Kshatriya. I may be very good in business, to do business, commerce. I may be Vaishya. I don't like anything. I might just be in tamas and say, whatever somebody says, do this much. I know only that much to do and sit quiet. I may be a Shudra. I may not know how to apply my brains and do something more and extra creativity. इतना करने को बोला, इतना करके चुप बैठ गए. इतना ऐसा करो बोले करेंगे. You know, so our mental textures are different. So if an ordinary company has got these hierarchies that who's working at what post, then so much srushti is happening, then srushti will require, it's not hierarchy, the division of the work that needs to be carried out in the srushti. So we should be very proud that this was very specific system to run the whole thing properly. It is a system. This we should, we are placing very micro systematic way. So our systematic way is blamed as our discrimination. We are not, it's not discrimination. So he is saying clearly, according to the guna and the karma, I have done that, but I am not the doer. It is not, I'm not taking the karta bhav of it. Okay. So very important was, we should know how to answer this when it comes to debate, because not of other religion. Christians, Muslims, they are not threat to us. The Hindu-born people are only threat to us. They don't believe. They only start blaming. They only start talking. They only start writing. Others have never studied our scriptures. So they don't have any right to say also they'll hear. But the ones who are not studying our scriptures and blaming and going away from us is a more headache rather than the other person. The other person is admitting that, okay, I don't know anything about your religion. We've not been trained. These are the problematic, the lost Hindus. So then it comes down to the political party. Then it is either divided into, like, if I take example of Kerala, it's either communism or Congress or something. You know, they don't know their identities. They don't know their culture. They don't know their history. History is what? Mahabharata, Ramayana. The Vedanta behind that. Grounding has not happened. So such people talk. So it is our duty not to educate everybody else, our fellow beings. Okay, you just know little bit of where you are born, how rich the heritage is, and how much depth it is to hold the society together. Because if you follow dharma, the dharma will hold you. It will be upheld. Otherwise, everything will collapse. Right? If you come to me because I'm a doctor when you have a wound and seeing your blood oozing, if I will faint, then you say, why did I come to you? Then I'm much stronger than you. Okay. If somebody has snatched your chain and you are running behind it and he's showing gun at you and you see a policeman that he has taken my chain and he's now showing me the gun, If the policeman runs away in the opposite direction, then why you become a policeman? You are meant to protect. So every role, everybody has on dharma. If you have approached a teacher and the teacher says, okay, you learn on your own, I don't know, then why are you sitting over here in the teacher's post? Everybody has a dharma. You approach that they are meant to do that. Correct? You can't run away from that. You cannot shun dharma away. If you are not holding to your dharma, then it is collapsing. Then what will save you? Nothing will save you. It's not God who's saving. It is our actions who are going to save us or not. Are we protecting dharma or not? Dharma is not religion. Intrinsic nature, duty is dharma. So this is the most crucial verse, and they cherry pick it from here and present it to you. See, your only God has done this discrimination, and then we don't know to answer. So we should know to answer. Chaturva.
Non-doer and immutable.
Yes, avyaya means there is no change that is going to happen. He is the one. There is no change. In me, there are changes happening because I have not realized. Okay. And small things, I take the doership. Okay, I'm doing this class. Okay, after this class, I have to do this. I have so much of doership.
Okay. But the God is not
Lord-
telling that he is
Lord
non-doer.
Sorry?
The Lord is telling that he is non-doer.
Non-doer. And at the same time, he's saying, Maya Srishtam, it is done by me. Though done by me, I am not involved in that. So it is like the leaf, lotus leaf on the water. It is not getting wet, being in the water.
Asanga, matlab, involvement is not there.
Akarta. He's a karta. So
Dhanyawad.
don't think like, okay, everything Lord is doing. No. Certain rules have been set and everything follows in that rule. That office is very successful where the boss is following all the rules and the boss is having the discipline. And that office collapses where the boss only rarely comes, not seeing who is doing what. The work is only not progressing. Okay. So the top has to be fantastic. It will trickle down to the bottom. Have I answered your question?
Yes, Guruji. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Dr. Varshad, I have one question.
जी बोलिए.
You know, I see your notes here. The first word here is chatuhu and varnyam.
Yeah, but that is not the way it is not in the sandhi format. That chatur, it is there are some changes happening into it, and then it is so it is not a sandhi.
Okay, thank you.
चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्म विभागशः तस्य कर्तारमपि मां विद्यकर्तारमव्ययम्. Radha Krishnan ji. See, that verse which we are discussing is come over here. Namang karmani limpanti.
Namang karmani limpante.
Name karma phale spriha.
Name karma phale spruha.
Iti mayo bhijanati.
Idimayo bhijanati.
Karma bhirna sabadhyate.
Karma bhirna sabadhyate. Namang karmani limpandi. Name karma phale spruha. Idimayo bhijanati. Karma bhirna sabadhyate.
Good. What are the sandhis over here?
Yo bhijanati.
Correct.
Riya
Which,
plus abhijanati.
yeah,
Ukara.
plus. So which sandhi?
It's a visarga sandhi.
Visarga sandhi
Plus
and
purvarupa sandhi.
plus purva rupa sandhi. Correct. Then any other sandhis?
Karma bhirna. Karma bhi plus na repa sandhi.
Correct. Excellent. So visarga is repaha. So na, mam, karmani, लिम्पन्ति न मे कर्मफले स्पृहा इति मां यः अभिजानाति कर्मभिः न स बध्यते. So this mam, may, everything has come from our asmat shabda we have seen. So how do we say? Karma phale me na spruha. Ataha karmani mam na limpanti. Iti yaha mam abhijanati saha karmabhihi na badhyate. Means what? Nobody, mam, me, karmani, actions, limpanti. No actions are sticking on me. Why? Karma phule, for the fruits of action, that desire. So, thus, whoever knows me so, by these actions, he is not bound. So, actions are not tainting me, nor I have desire for the fruits of action. He who knows me thus is not bound by his actions. Correct? I like to do certain thing because I get something from it. My all actions are prompted because I have foreseen some fruit that I'm going to get out of it. Knowingly or unknowingly, the desire for the fruit is there. Selflessly, nobody works. I've seen parents also saying that they need a son, a male child, so that he will take care of me in my old age. I have heard this, I hear still, and I repeatedly hear this. It's like a very common thing. So it's not for a simple joy of bringing a human the capacity to procreate. That's not there. There is no divinity seen in that. Because I need old age help, I need not a girl child. Girl child is married and sent to another house. She's never mind. Male child is. This is what mental thinking is going on. Fruit, see the fruit. Intentions are there always. What I am going to benefit, what I am going to benefit. And we will like those people and we'll do those actions only that gives us this pleasure, this fruit which we are intending to have. So over here, we have already seen in that verse where we have said that don't desire for the fruit of the actions, right? It's very easy to say, but it is the most toughest thing to do. And the Lord is coming in this category. And those who understand Lord in that way, for him the actions are not binding. Limpanti is like sticks on to. There is a coating. So that is not happening on the Lord even by doing the actions. Namang karmani limpanti, name karma phale spriha, iti mayo bhijanati, karma bhirna sabadhyate. Okay, really Gita's alarm has buzzed, but we'll squeeze in one more verse at least. Sri Vidyaji, please come. Evam jnatva kritam karma. Mute yourself. Sri Vidyaji, are you there? Sorry, my connection is something. Sri Vidya Lakshmi ji, are you there? No. Who would take this verse? Quickly, we are lacking time.
If you
Ji,
like.
ji, Arun ji, please come. Evam jnatva kritam karma.
Evam jnatva kritam karma.
Urvairapi mumukshubhihi.
Purvairapi mumukshubhihi.
Kuru karmaiva tasmatvam.
Kuru karmeva tasmatvam.
Purvaih purvataram kritam.
Purvai purvataram kritam. Evam jnatva kritam karma. Purvairapi mumukshubhihi. Kuru karmeva tasmatvam. Purvai purvataram kritam.
Very good. So, We'll see now what are the sandhis. Anybody want to quickly chip in?
Purvai Ravi is
Correct.
Purvai plus api.
Correct. What name of the
Repa,
sandhi?
Repa Santi.
Yes. Visargasya repaha.
Then
Karmaiva.
Karma.
Karmaiva.
Correct. What is the sandhi?
Repah. Visarga repah.
No, no, no.
Karmai. Karmai plus eva.
There is, yeah, it's karma plus eva. There is no visarga. What sandhi? Sorry?
So Vriddhi Santi.
Vriddhi sandhi.
Karma plus eva. Karmaiva vriddhi. A has become ai over there. Correct. Tasmat tvam purvai purvataram kritam. Okay. So now here it is. Evam Nyatva Kritam Karma Purvaihi Api Mumukshubhihi Kuru Karma Eva I has happened. Vriddhi. Tasmatvam Purvai Purvataram Kritam. So Evam Nyatva, having known in this way, Purvaihi Mumukshubhihi Api Karma Kritam Tasmatvam Purvaihi Purvataram Ev Kritam Karma Kuru. Means evam, in this manner, nyatva, having known, kritam, whatever was done, the actions, purvaihi, by all the other people, older people also, mumukshubhihi, those who are by the desirous of moktum ichha is mumukshita, to become free. Kuru, perform actions. Tasmat, therefore, purvahi, by the seniors, Purvataram, in the olden times, Kritam. So having known this, the ancient seekers also perform the action. Therefore, you also perform in a similar way as the ancient people have done. Means doing action without expecting the fruit of the action, not claiming the doership of the action. एवं ज्ञात्वा कृतं कर्म पूर्वैरपि मुमुक्षुभिः कुरु कर्मैव तस्मात् त्वं पूर्वैः पूर्वतरं कृतम्. This grace, at least 5 verses we have done. Our target is 10 to 15. That means we need to double up our speed. Our half an hour is going in the revision, a little bit slow. But next week onwards, probably we would practice and come 7 days. We have to practice those shabdas so that we are not searching, we are ready and we just get it very fluently. So for first 10-15 minutes, we can give at least 45 minutes, and this 15 minutes borrowed from the daily Gita session. We'll get our 1 hour. But some part on your side also, you should take little effort and come. I'll also on my side take efforts and come, and we'll target to complete 10-15 verses. So next week onwards, we'll have an open discussion, hold your Dhatu Rupali, Shabda Rupali, and your Sandhis linked in one, and there won't be any presentation or something. So we'll complete the number of verses quickly. And if all of us will take that sankalpa, no, it will happen. All the united minds work better and faster. Shri Vidyaji, what's your question?
Yeah, I need one help, Parshaji. I have completed the Shabda Rupavali, but somewhere towards the end, the order is different. You know, the order in which you are. Can you just tell us the order so that
an order different doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's okay.
it is fine, okay?
It's fine. It is fine. Order different is no problem. I was calling your name for chanting. You had disappeared.
No, I had called, my son had called, you know, he stays outside, so I had to attend that call. I forgot.
Run away from the class.
No, only 2 minutes he talks, ma'am. Otherwise, when he will go to the office, he will not call. So 2 minutes I went to talk, so I missed it. Sorry, really sorry.
No problem. I said I caught you in that time. So let's finish this session. So next week, complete your notebooks and come. Memorize Patadhatu, all the 4 forms, present, past, future, prerana. Keep the speed and chant. And find out that Sandhi name and come, which we have missed. Find out that.
Can I ask a doubt, Varshaji?
Ji.
11. 11. Tams Tadaiva. Is it a Sattva Sandhi? I think you taught us as the last
Yes.
Sandhi.
Yes.
Is it a Sattva Sandhi?
Yes, it is. Good. So this was the homework which is already done. Okay, but the others who have not found the rule for it when it is happening, please read that and come. We have taken very beautifully all the sandhis in such compact 10 sessions, and all sandhis we had completed. Okay, let's end the session and join Daily Gita. Daily Gita's today's portion is chapter 4, 3, 4, and 5. So definitely those who have joined in today's session, please join Daily Gita. It takes only 20 minutes. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Hari Om Guruji.
Hari Om. Jai
Hari
Guru.
Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om.
Varshaji, I think there were 12 Vyanjana Sandhis that you taught us.
That's a second.
Thank you. Hari Om.
Thank you. Thank you, Shobhaji, for checking that in.